Say hi, guys. Destiny, say hi to the guys. Say hi. Say yes, pretty pretty. Yes, pretty pretty. Ready? Hi. Yes, pretty pretty. Yes, pretty pretty. Say Destiny, oh mama, look at what they call me. Destiny, oh mama, look at what they call me. Destiny White. Pretty pretty. Yes, hi. Mommy kiss. I love you. Hi. Hi. Yeah, hi. Hot gal? Yes? Yes. Hot gal? Destiny a hot gal? Pretty pretty. Yes. You're talking. You're a pretty girl? Yes, you're a pretty girl. Hi. Yes, pretty pretty. Say hello, guys. Hello. Say hi. No, say hi. Hi. Hi, pretty pretty. Hello. Hi. You can't bite her booty. Leave her. These two don't get along. Like they love each other, but Destiny's jealous and Jay don't really care. And whenever Destiny gives Jay a chance, Jay always break it up, mess it up right away. So I think when she gets older, they'll be fine because she and the oldest one now, they're best friends. Yes, Shamara. She says Shamara too. Say Shamara. Shamara. Okay. Too hard. Okay. Leave yourself now, my girl. You can do yourself some way, you mad girl. You mad girl. You mad girl. No. 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 Say hello. Say hi. 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 Destiny, oh mama, look at what they call me. Destiny, oh mama, look at what they call me. Destiny White. Pretty pretty. At gal. Say at gal. At gal. At gal. Pretty pretty. Yes, hot gal. Yes, Destiny, hot gal. Yes. Yes, you're pretty pretty. Yes, Destiny, pretty pretty. Hi. Hello. The time is now 1:50. And we were together from 1 o'clock. And I'll be out here with you till about 3 o'clock. But you're out of your cage all day, right? Hi? Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Yes, pretty girl. My baby. Did you pull my hand? No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Good girl. You didn't. No, good girl. You're the best. Yes. Yes, you're the best. Yes. Yes. At gal. At gal Destiny. At gal Destiny. At gal Destiny. Oh. At gal Destiny. Ah, pretty pretty. Ah, pretty pretty. Say I. Hi. Pretty, you're pretty. Pretty pretty. Yes. Say bye, guys. Say bye to the guys. Say bye to the guys. Bye. Destiny White. Give me that one. Put it there. Put it there for Destiny. Good girl, Joe. Let go. Yay. Go to your bed. Go to bed.